I originally went, much to the horror of my family, to study spiders. Obviously, that is not where I ended up. So I jumped around between majors for a while. I got a dual degree in French and physics by the time I left. My name's Ryan French. I am a computational signal integrity engineer. I went to undergrad at a small university in Michigan called Saginaw Valley State. I did some research while I was in undergrad, primarily focused on developing sensors, capacitive sensors for crayfish claws, in collaboration with the biology department there. And then I went to grad school at Montana State University. I did a lot of teaching while I was there. That's where I kind of developed my passion for teaching, and I kind of carry that with me to this day. So after grad school, I got a job in Denver designing PCBs for an aerospace company. While I was there, I developed a lot of different boards, backplanes, mixed analog, digital, RF boards, some of them for ground support, some of them that will actually be on satellites one day that are launched. So I'm a signal integrity engineer. That's my expertise, but really I do a whole host of things here. EMI, EMC, power integrity, those are all kind of interrelated. So I do all of those. I've also had the opportunity to do things like spacecraft charging in space, things like lightning effects, a whole host of other things, phased antenna arrays. The list is endless here. My favorite things to do, obviously signal integrity stuff. So like PCB designs, customer sends in their boards, I look them over and I point out any flaws that are going to lead to signal integrity or EMI issues. So that's a big one. It also gives me the opportunity for that sort of teaching. We want to be this one-stop shop where you can start with the small things like your board designs, have those analyzed. Then we can move on into your systematic design. We can look to find issues. We can help you set up for the EMI, EMC tests that you're doing or any other tests that you have to do. And we can really help you in every step of the way of designing an entire electronic assembly.